how to change views order in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the views order in monday.com. So if you're working on monday.com and you find the need to change the views order, just follow this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. Once when you've logged in, you can see you will be redirected here on this home page. You can open any board that you want. Now for example, let's create some views here. Let's add a view uh, and call it uh, Monday, or let's just call it day one. And then let's add another view and call it day two. And then add another view and call it day three. Now, for example, I need to make an order of these views because most of the time it can get scrambled. So if I need to make the views in order, for example, let's just do one thing. Let's name it 3 for your ease of understanding, and let's name it 1. Now I have an order of view in this descending category, and I want to change it. I want to change the board views. So what I can do is I can click here, and then we can make one as our favorite. Let me see how we can do it. Pin view. Here you go. And then what we can do is we can click on day 2 and click on pin view. Here you go. It's equal to making it as a favorite. Initially, before the update, it used to be make as favorite, but now they have changed it to pin view. And then finally, we can click here and then pin view. So now we have the boards in order. So that's how we change the board views and the board order. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.